Wow, this guy is handsome. He's cute. I think I like him. Let me even check. I think he's new here. Whether he has a girlfriend or is married, I don't care. I must get this guy. Let's keep lyric.
Hello, how are you? Good afternoon.
I'm Mira. I live next door.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Mira.
I actually saw you passing by the other time, so I'm here to say I was cooking, so
okay.
I needed oil. I don't know if you can give me oil.
Okay. Wow, that sounds so nice of you. I actually packed in here 3 days ago. I think you are not around. Okay. You said you needed onion?
Yes.
Okay, that's no problem. Just give me a few minutes, I'm coming. Okay, Mira, you say you needed onion. Okay, you can just have it.
Thank you.
Alright. See you some other time.
See you later.
Bye. Hi.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Sorry, I don't believe I can get matches for you. Yeah.
You need matches from me? It's alright, just give me a minute, I'm coming. Hi Mira.
Hi.
You needed matches. Okay, you can have it. You can probably keep it. I don't think I need it again.
Thank you.
Alright, take care. Have a nice day.
You too.
Alright.
Today's the day. I must get this guy. Let's go.
Hi Mira, how are you? Yeah, good evening.
I'm bored at home, so I said I should keep it company. I guess you stay.
You're bored and you want to come and keep me company?
Yeah, my sister is not around.
Okay, if you are coming to keep me company, I have a girlfriend, if you don't mind.
That's not an issue, even if you are married. I mean no harm.
You mean no harm? Okay, problem, come in. This is so.
Thank you.
Okay, you can come in.
Thank you.
Alright. Okay, Mira, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What do you care for?
Don't worry, I'm fine.
You're fine. Are you sure you're fine?
Yeah.
Okay, that's no problem. I actually wanted to give you water, at least, because I've not actually made any food yet.
No, don't worry. There's no light.
Yeah, like I told you, you know, I just came in. I'm trying to fix stuffs here. So when I fix them finish, there'll be light. For now, I don't have light for now for the moment. So sorry about that. I could actually get you.
I wanted to put on some movie like cartoon.
Sorry about that. In the next few days, all those things will be okay. I know you're feeling kind of hot. I can actually get you a hand fan so that you fan yourself. Since you just say you want to keep me company, so make yourself comfortable. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, you told me earlier that you have a girlfriend. Can you tell me about her?
Okay, yeah, I have a girlfriend. She's not here. She's running her masters in Abuja. So I think she'll be here in 6 months' time.
Wow.
Yes, 6 months' time she'll be here.
Okay, I guess we are cool for now since she's not around.
How do you know you are cool? I don't get you.
I mean, I can just come here and keep you company.
There's no problem. It's cool. There's no problem. There's no issue about that. You're always welcome, Mira.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So if you don't mind, I don't know, maybe I can use the restroom. I'm kind of pressed.
Okay, you want to use the restroom?
Yes.
Okay, so just stand up. If you follow this way, just your left. Just go to your left. Yeah. I told you I have a girlfriend.
I know.
Can you just stand up? Stand up. Sit down. Sit. What happened to your leg?
I don't know. I think I have dislocation around it.
Dislocation? Can I see it?
Something, yeah.
You're even sweating on your legs. Maybe I can actually get a balm and apply it. Just give me a minute. A minute, I'm coming. Just a minute.
Okay.
I have a balm here. I can actually help you apply it.
Thank you.
So sorry about that. Yeah. How do you feel? Kind of good, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Sorry. I remember those days in school, I had a friend that actually had a dislocation. I think I hit her. You're sweating. So sorry about that. Don't worry, next time when you come, you're not gonna be so hot for you.
It's fine, obviously, because there's no light.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, you'll be fine, okay? Yeah, you'll be very fine.
So I need to get home. I have to do something at home.
Okay, you want to go now?
Yes.
Is that not so quick? I hope you're not angry.
No.
Are you sure?
Angry. I just have to get ready.
You want to go?
Yes.
Okay, Miranda, there's no problem. See you some other time now. Nice having you around.
Yeah, fine.
Alright. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye.
God, this is not what I expected.
Man, hope I've not fucked up, man. I've been very lonely in this place, and this guy just gave me an offer to have her as cheap as that. Man, I don't fuck up. I think there's still time. I did the right thing now. Let me just give her some level. Time day. Definitely something is gonna happen. Yes, I know. It's not yet late.